Okay, this is the solution to practice it exercise 3.1 print numbers, and the instructions are as follows. Write a method called print numbers that accepts a maximum number as a parameter and prints each number from 1 up to that maximum, inclusive box by square brackets. And the examples they gave are print numbers 15, which prints out this, and print numbers 5, which prints this, and the I feel like simplest solution here is of course you're doing this in the method. Um, you just make a loop that goes from 1 and then up onto the number that you're given. So 15. So this would be 1 less while I or 1 is less than equal to 15, and then you just print out the bracket, the number, the closing bracket, and then a space. And then you just do that for everyone. And if I submit it here, you will see, yep, it is correct.